Hi, I'm Christy with Happily Hooked Magazine. In this video, I will be teaching you all about the anatomy of the stitch. This is the single crochet stitch. When you look at the top, you will see two loops. This is the front loop, and then away from you is the back loop. Regardless if you're working on the front side or the wrong side, right side or wrong side, whatever loop is away from you is considered the back loop. And the one closest to you is the front loop. You will always work under both loops unless otherwise instructed in your pattern. Since those are the stitches, this is the space between the stitches where you will work. And this is the post of the stitch. Now this is the single crochet post, this little V here. Now if I work a double crochet stitch really fast, I can show you the difference. So give me just a second to do that. The post on the double crochet stitch is a little bit longer, but see how you have your front and back, which creates your entire stitch. And then the length of the post is here. You will use this length when you work front post and back post stitches, which create texture and ribbing, and you can use that for cables. So this is the post of the single crochet and the post of a double crochet. And this is the stitch. That is the anatomy of your stitches. Join me back here for more tutorials with Happily Hooked Magazine.